Hi, I'm Marcus, and in this episode, we're going to look at cleaning sneakers. It's summer, and not everyone wears leather shoes every day. Take a look around you. Sneakers, huh? This is a bit of a shame, and I was really embarrassed about it a few days ago. These are my own shoes. I wear them almost every day at work, in the warehouse and around, and I've never cleaned them before. Plus, they're white Ultra Boosts, and they're notorious for looking awful if you don't take care of them. So I'm going to show you how to do it. As you can see, I don't take the laces out completely. I don't know if I could put them back in as nicely, but that doesn't matter at all because these shoes don't have a separate tongue. I'll just loosen them a little and save myself a lot of work. I put a plastic shoe tree in them and fix the laces a little. As they rub against each other, there are frayed areas with loose fibers on them, and I can easily get rid of that with a lighter. The same goes for the loose threads around them. They are artificial threads, so they melt, and there is no risk of them tearing. But be careful. Then, I remove loose dust from the shoes with a cleaning brush. This is my favorite sneaker cleaner. I vouch for it. It works great and is really easy to use. You can use it on all possible materials that can be used on sneakers. Leather, suede, synthetic materials, textiles, rubber, just about anything. If you want to know more about him, you can find him here. This might be enough for regular maintenance, but some people just like to play around, and I need a little more. This is a new sole cleaner from Saphir. It works the best of all the sole cleaners I've ever tried. And it has one more great feature. It almost doesn't wear off. Seriously. You apply such a small amount that it really lasts for a lot of shoes. As I said, Ultra Boost is quite sensitive to maintenance. You can't wash off mechanical damage, that's probably clear to everyone, but something can be done with the color. After prolonged wear, the color may become a little gray or yellowed from the sun. The recipe is like this. This is an oil-based marker, permanent. That means it's flexible and holds. It holds the repair very well. It must be applied to a completely dry and clean surface, not that you can use it over dirt. With this marker, you have to be extremely careful about dragging the outline. It sticks immediately and a lot. But on the other hand, I guarantee you that no one will throw themselves on the ground. And check if you didn't drag half a millimeter wrong on the sole. And as I said, I always need something extra. This is the Famico Paris Multi-Renovator. It enhances colors and protects materials. Then, the sneakers have a new sparkle. Look. These shoes are a few years old, worn to storage in the car, walking around, trips, and so on. I'd say they don't look bad at all now. This is how you clean all kinds of sneakers, and when I have some again, I'll show you. Now enjoy the result. You can also check out some other shoes I've cleaned on my channel. Have a nice day in clean shoes, and see you next time if you subscribed.